Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to find working Amazon coupon codes. This is a smart way to save money on your purchases without wasting time on expired or fake codes that flood the internet. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. Now, here's something crucial you need to know before we continue. Most coupon codes you find scattered across the internet simply don't work. They're either expired, completely fake, or limited to specific users or products you don't even need. So instead of wasting your time hunting down codes that might not apply, I'm going to show you a better alternative way to access legitimate discounts directly through Amazon itself. Once you're logged in, move your mouse to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see Account and Lists. Hover over this menu and from the drop-down that appears, select Account. This will take you to your main account settings page where you can manage all your preferences and features. Now scroll down through the various options until you locate the section labeled Coupons. Click on it. This is where Amazon houses all the active, legitimate coupon codes that are actually available for use right now. No guessing, no expired deals, just real discounts. You'll now see a collection of products with available coupons. Browse through the results and take your time to find an item or product that interests you. Once you've found something you'd like to purchase, click on it to open the product page. On the product page, you'll need to select your preferred color or size if those options are available. Be very careful during this step because the coupon code is often tied to specific variations. If you choose the wrong color or size, the discount might not apply, so double check before moving forward. Next, look beside the product image for the coupon price. You'll see a small checkbox next to it. Check that box to enable the discount. This action ensures the coupon is applied to your purchase. After enabling the coupon, look over to the right panel and click Buy Now. This will take you directly to the checkout process without adding the item to your cart first. On the next screen, select your delivery address from the options shown. Make sure it's the correct location where you want your order shipped. Following that, select your payment method. Choose the card or payment option you'd like to use for this transaction. Finally, review everything one last time to ensure the coupon discount is applied and all your details are correct. Then click Place Your Order to complete the purchase. And that's it. You've successfully found and used a working Amazon coupon code without dealing with unreliable third-party sites. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.